Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Les. I know it's been months, or it's been a month. It's been a month since I last posted, but I'm back. It's finally summer. I can post again. I can get back on my grind. I already have a few looks planned out to film and regular videos planned, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys the comparison between the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil. If you guys want to see how I did my brows with each pencil and what my thoughts are, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be filming this comparison video between the the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil. So I use the brow definer in the shade Chocolate, and I honestly guessed and got the shade Walnut for the Kat Von D one. So I'm just gonna hop off. The brow definer is obviously thicker, it's bigger, like the spoolie is a lot thicker, and this is in a triangle shape, which I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. And so when you look at the Kat Von D one, it's kind of like the brow is. You see how skinny this one is? And then the pencil is the same size, the same shape as the brow definer, it's just thinner. So yeah, I'm gonna use the ABH one on this eyebrow and the Kat Von D one on this eyebrow, which is the eyebrow I have to fill in the most, so y'all can see how pigmented it really is. So I'm just zoom y'all in. Also, do y'all see this backdrop? Okay, so let's get into this. I'm gonna start with the Anastasia one. So, whenever I do my brows, I start in the bottom on the, like right here. I draw a line and then I fill it up, and then I draw one line here and then I fill it up again, and then I do the top line and I just blend it all together. So I usually just like raise my eyebrows up so I can see like the shape I want and the shape that my eyebrows are. So so I do that line first. I had to press in really hard to get the color intensity that I want. I'm gonna just do that on this eyebrow so y'all can see it with the Kat Von D one. So this one I have to do a lot more work, obviously, because I am missing hair here. And y'all probably already know this, but if you're new to my channel, I got my eyebrows done a while ago, like years ago, and the brow lady actually over waxed this eyebrow, and the hair has never grown back in that little area. So that's why I do my eyebrows thick, because this eyebrow is pretty thick compared to this one. I can't really do one thin, one the other, so I just do both of them thick, because I don't really like how thin brows look on me. Anyways, so for this eyebrow, I start from the front and then I go and connect it to the tail. I'm saying this at a time, it's a very big difference and I fill in a lot, so I'm not trying to see comments about that. Like, I'm barely pressing in on this one, and you guys already see how dark that line is. So I do that. And then I'm gonna go back to the Anastasia one. Then I just fill it in. So now I start from here, from right here, and I make that line on the bottom. Like that. And then I don't just go like that sometimes. Well, for the definer, since it's triangular, I actually go like this. I go from the side of it. I raise my eyebrow. I start at the bottom where that line is, and I kind of apply it like that. And then for the front, I don't do that. I just kind of go normally. So now I do the line at the top. And I start at the front, like right there. And then I make my arch. Well, I don't make it, I just kind of outline it, since I already have an arch. And then I kind of move my pencil so I can make that arch prominent. And I just connect the two lines together for the tail, just like that. So now I just kind of fill it in. I get messy with this part because I don't really care about it, really. Okay, so I like to have, usually my spoolies on my brow pencil products are really dirty because of how much product I use. So when I do the front, I only use the spoolie and whatever I did here. So I just look up and I brush it, and so there's product on top, I just brush the top harshly. And just clean up whatever. So that's how I do my brows with the Anastasia pencil. I've been using this Kat Von D one. I used it today, and I used it yesterday for a makeup look. Was it yesterday? I don't remember. But I used it the other day for a look. So for this one, I just kind of like fill it in. What I like about this pencil is that it is, since it's the same shape as the brow definer, but it's smaller, it's thinner, it's way more precise. Like usually, well, I'm used to the brow definer by now, but I would have to clean it up in some places, but this one I barely have to clean up, especially this brow. With the brow definer, I always had to go in with a little makeup wipe or concealer to clean up this part, because I get so heavy-handed with it that I like overdo it sometimes. So I'm just going to do the front of my brow. This is where you're going to see that this is actually really pigmented. Compared to the Anastasia one, I don't have to press in as hard with this one because it's very, very pigmented. And so I do the same thing as the brow definer because of that same shape. But I could easily just do regular strokes. I don't really care how this part looks because I go in with a spoolie after. Yo, I need to get my nails done. Oh my god, I look a mess. So this is when I just kind of blend stuff out. You see how good that looks? I don't like the front of the brow looking too harsh. Okay, so now I do the line at the top. Okay, so now that I filled both of my eyebrows in on camera with you, I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts. So, personally, I mean, I've always used Anastasia brow products, but surprisingly, I really love the Kat Von D one a lot more. Well, I don't know, like, I like it more, to be honest, and that's probably weird for me to say because I've always used Anastasia since I started doing makeup. But the Kat Von D one is like super pigmented, and I don't know, it's just, I don't know really. Like, I personally usually just go in ham on my brows. Like this one, I'm pretty sure you can tell it's a little bit darker than this one, which is surprising for me because I love dark brows. I love bold brows. Y'all know me. Y'all see my makeup videos, my brows when I do makeup. And for me to be able to kind of step into a bit more natural brow, which I'm kind of learning and trying to do, I really like it. Especially if you do like doing your brows more naturally, this is definitely the brow pencil for you because the pencil itself really lets you make hair-like strokes. And the spoolie is really good too. It blends out really nice and evenly, and it's not harsh. But yeah, I honestly definitely recommend this brow pencil. I hope they come out with more shades. I think they only have like 6 or 7 shades of the brow pencil. I do want to try the pomade. I want to try the colorful ones too. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little comparison review demo thing. And I know I haven't been posting lately, but it's finally summer, so I'm back. And I'm back with backdrops. So I hope you guys actually really like this. I love this backdrop, to be honest. And I can't wait to do looks with it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up and comment down below whatever you want to see next, or what you thought, or what brow products you use, because I'm kind of looking for more affordable brow products. Oh, I wanted to say, the brow definer is $23. This is $20. Hold up. Let me make sure. Okay, so the Kat Von D pencil is $20, and the Brow Wiz for ABH is $21, and the brow definer is $23. I know it doesn't seem like a big difference, like wow, $3, but in the long run, it's a huge deal for me because I go through these babies so fast with how much I do my eyebrows and how much I have to fill in, especially with this brow. But yeah, I definitely recommend the Anastasia, no, the Kat Von D pencil. I do love Anastasia, but right now, Kat Von D. She did that. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.